Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to unbox the Vivo Y12s. And guys, and this is a new budget phone from Vivo which is costing around 21,000 PKR Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we get a 32GB of internal storage with a 3GB of RAM. And guys, on the back we get some more specification about the phone, and you can see we have a 5000 mAh battery size on this phone, and also we have a side mounted fingerprint scanner on this phone as well. On the back we get a dual cameras, and you can see. And guys, and the color I have is the blue color, and you can see. So now let's quickly open this box and let's see what this Vivo has to offer in this phone. And now let's remove the plastic first. And you can see, and the box, it is very similar to the Vivo Y51 as well as the Vivo Y20s. Now let's quickly open this box, and you can see. And guys, on the top we get this one more mini box. It says that Vivo Y12s. Inside of this little box we get a SIM ejection tool, and you can see. And also we have a quick start guide in the Urdu language, and that's a really good thing as well. And also we get a soft silicone case with the Vivo Y12s. And guys, here is the device, and you can see. So now I'm gonna just put the side here and look inside the box. And guys, on the first thing we get this adapter. And guys, and the pay rating on this adapter, it is a 5V with a 2A, and this adapter is gonna charge your phone maximum at 10W. And you can see we don't get any fast charging with the Vivo Y12s. And also we get a cable, and it is a micro USB cable, and you can see it is a micro USB cable. We don't get USB Type-C with the Vivo Y12s, and you can see. So now let's put everything inside the box back, and now let's see the Vivo Y12s. And guys, also this phone also give you a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset. It is the same chipset that we also get on the Samsung Galaxy A12 as well. You can see here is the Vivo Y12s. Now let's out the phone from this plastic like this, and you can see that. And guys, on the back we get a glossy finish, and you can see, which is not really good, I would say. I like matte finish. We also get some rainbow effect, and you can see, although the back it is made up of plastic, also the side of this phone, and you can see on the back we get a dual cameras. So now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's see the physical overview of this phone. And guys, on the bottom we get a headphone jack, microphone, micro USB port, as well as a speaker. On the right hand side we have a volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a side mounted fingerprint scanner, which is also work as power on button. On the top we get the thing. On the left hand side we get a SIM tray, and guys, you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot, and you can see. And guys, on the front we get a 6.5-inch 720p IPS LCD display, and also we have a water drop notch on the top. So guys, now let's quickly start up this phone up. Okay guys, and here is the first boot of the Vivo Y12s, and you can see. And guys, and first impression about the display quality, I have to say that we have a 720p IPS LCD display, and the brightness of this display is also really bright, I would say, and you can see. And now let me go to the settings. Now let's see the Android version of this phone, and you can see. And guys, right out of the box we get a stock Android like software, and you can see. And guys, this phone, it is running on Android 10, and you can see we don't get Android 11 on this phone. And also we get a Fun Touch OS version 11, and you can see, which is same as the Vivo V20s. Guys, we get 32GB of internal storage out of 21.46GB. It is available for you guys. And guys, also this phone also give you a side mounted fingerprint scanner, and you can see. Now let's see the speed, and you can see. And the fingerprint scanner speed is also really fast on this phone, I would say. Not a really big issue. Let me go to the display, and we also have a auto brightness feature on this phone, as well as a dark mode on this phone, and you can see all those things, it is available on this phone. Although we get a IPS LCD display, I like the colors of this display. It is not really bad, I would say. And also we get a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset with a 5000 mAh battery size. This phone give you at least 1.5 day of battery life without any problem. And guys, now let's look at the camera. On the back we get dual cameras on this phone, and you can see. and the main sensor on the back is a 13 megapixel, and also we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor on this phone. And you can see we also have a portrait mode on this phone, and you can see we don't get any ultra wide with the Vivo Y12s, and you can see and also we have panorama on this phone. Let me go to the video section, and now let's see the video recording size with the back camera. And the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. And now let's see the front camera video recording first, and the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps as well. Now let's go back. Now let's go to the more section, and guys, we also have a time lapse on this phone, although we don't get any night mode, the slow motion on this phone. And now let's see the front camera. On the front we get the 8 megapixel selfie camera, and the quality is really bad. And you can see that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y12s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.